Nested elif conditional statement. In a elif conditional statement, syntax is if space condition a colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash if block of code. Here hash means comment that did not execute while we run the program. Press enter, pass, press enter, elif space condition b colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash elif block of code, press enter, if space condition c colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash nested if block of code, press enter, pass, press enter, elif space condition d colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash nested elif block of code, press enter, pass, press enter, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash nested else block of code, press enter, pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Let's see some examples. Here in this example, I am taking conditions as Boolean values like true or false to understand easily. Let's take one example. If space false colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes if block of code. Press enter, elif space true colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes elif block of code. Press enter, if space false colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes nested if block of code. Press enter, elif space true colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes nested elif block of code. Press enter, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes nested else block of code. Let's run it. See, the output is elif block of code nested elif block of code. Let's discuss this example step by step. Here, first it checks the if condition, that is false, so it did not execute that block of code. Next, it checks the elif condition, that is true, so it will execute next lines of inside elif. First, it executed print function, that is elif block of code, which is printed in output. Next, it checks the nested if condition, that is false, so it did not executed that block of code. Next, it checks the nested elif condition, that is true, so it executed the print function, that is nested elif block of code, which is printed in output. Remaining blocks are ignored. You can write more than one nested elif conditional statements in elif conditional statement. Let's see syntax. But here you have to remember one thing. According to the problem, you have to write conditions on your own, and also depending on your problem, write your own nested conditional statements.